Hey video creators, do you want to know how this high-definition video is made? The following software will help you easily. It is UniFab AI. Enhance your video with one click. This software can repair low-resolution videos with more noise, and convert SDR videos to HDR format. Without further ado, let's enter the software and operate it. When we open UniFab 3.0, we can see that the software clearly classifies the functions and has a very fresh interface design. We click Upscaler. Step 1. Import the video. You can see the video types that can be imported here. Step 2. Make some simple adjustments to the video parameters. You can choose to increase the video resolution. UniFab supports output with a maximum resolution of 8K. At the same time, we select the universal model for the model. Here we provide the video custom function trim and advanced preview function. Finally, adjust the video output parameters, as well as the output quality and destination folder location, and click Export. Okay, let's see how the enhancement works. By comparing the two, we can clearly see that the enhanced picture is clearer and has more details, giving us a very shocking visual experience. UniFab's Video Upscaler AI function is really powerful. If you enjoy our video, please like and subscribe, and let us know your experience with this software. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.